Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a navigation drawer in empty activity. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to create a new directory and name it as menu, as I'm doing right now. Please follow the steps, and after creating the directory, just create a new menu resources file and name it as menu list. And then after the creation of menu list, you have to add the items in your list. And now we are going to create a header file so that afterward we can attach the header and the menu layout together and make a navigation drawer in the main activity. So follow the steps. Now in the main activity we have to change the constant layout to the drawer layout, and for our convenience we are going to implement the design library in our Android Studio. And for doing that, you just have to go to the Gradle script, and in that go to the build Gradle module app, and there you have to do the implementation of com.android.support design followed by its version number, and you can follow the code as I'm doing right now. Here we are going to use the navigation view to bind the header and the menu list together. After doing that, we are going to create a toolbar, and with it we are going to create a frame layout, because it will show different screen when you jump from dashboard to profile and from profile to about screen. For handling multiple interaction between the toolbar and the frame layout, we are going to use coordinator layout. And now we will add the scrolling behavior to the frame layout with the use of app bar layout. Please follow the steps. And now for adding icons to your menu, you can follow the steps. In this application, we are not requiring the action bar, so we are going to disable it. While declaring toolbar, you must make sure that you import the Android X.widget. And now here we are going to create the function for toolbar. And after doing that, you have to call a predefined function which is set support action bar, and in that you have to pass the toolbar as a parameter. After doing that, you have to set the title, and you have to set home button enabled as true, and also set display home button as up enabled true. Now after setting up the toolbar, we are going to create an action bar drawer toggle, and in that we are going to pass the four parameters. The first one is the activity, the second one is in which layout we are going to have that toggle feature, and the third and fourth one is a string which will tell that which function is going on right now. And after that we are going to add a drawer listener, and in that we are going to pass the action bar drawer toggle variable which we have created right now. And after that we are going to add the sync state feature. The above codes will only make the hamburger icon display on the toolbar, But to make it functional, we are going to call a predefined function which is on option item selected, and in that we are going to create a variable which is id and assign it to item.item id, and in that we are going to create a condition, and in that we are make the drawer open from the start or from the left side of the screen whenever that hamburger icon is clicked. Please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel so that you can get further updates and many more tutorials like this.